And you know what it is, when I find people will watch you, whatever, no matter how you say whatever. People go watch and do, you know. But it helps to help promote it in a sense. But me watch you fry the fish. I mean, I said the fish they fry good. That fish they fry good. Me not lie. Me look on the fish. Mmm. Uh, and look on the fish, Julie. Look at black pepper and salt. And you know what? You can use sometimes, Julie. Same pimento. You can use as a black pepper, you know. Mm-hmm. You can use the same pimento seed as a black pepper. And if you get say one pipe there right there, so one pipe there right there, so me there. Look. Me just remember say one pipe there, you know. I'm gonna wash my hand. Just remember say one pipe there. I wash my hand then. Yeah. A little pipe right there, so to wash when you're out here to water the garden. When you set up your thing, you know, you have everything to your little comfort, you know what I mean? But yeah, the sun, look, you see? Look, see me come out there. I'm gonna take time to come. We're watching the sunrise this morning. Yes, Julie, them fish, they look good. Mm. So the birds are chirping, the roosters are crowing. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I use it, but you know, I learned years ago to grind the pimento and season the fish with it. Just not really season, but you know, just like how you use a black pepper. So just put a little on it, and it. Oh God, you know it's a pimento. Remember, a lot of people don't know that allspice is pimento. You know, allspice is pimento. I have curry goat and manish water for make, so I don't know if it's possible with this hurricane. Have all of the meat them already. Oh, it's coming up, guys. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's getting brighter. Oh, there's a bird flying across there. So we're just watching, sitting and waiting and watching and, you know, relaxing and watch nature. And all you can see is a lot of fruit trees. Just goes to show you how fertile and how fruitful Jamaica land is. It is, isn't it? I'm gonna sing me thank you, Vi. Vi, you see house already? Let me show Vi the house. Don't know if Vi see it. Come Auntie Vi. So Vi, this is the yard. That's in the house where the tenants are. And you know, there's a mango tree there, the coconut tree, the breadfruit tree, all the palm trees, the gate. And yeah, so this is this you're gonna see, look, so this is the house Vi. Let me see. You can't see, me have to come further out. Vi, there was no dew on the grass last night. Oh, Vi, I'm going to show you something. So, right, so pimento can be used in the cornmeal porridge. Hey, we say, God, Julie, it was allspice. Yes, in it, it's allspice, a little bit. So anyway, listen, Vi, you and I are into planting a lot of stuff, right? And you know the palm oil that they use, the most famous palm oil from Africa. I understand this is a palm nuts. That's a palm tree.